Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil here. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you a project which is simple and easy to build but interesting one, which is Morse project. If you double click on this Morse file, as you can see, I also wrote this GUI using Kinta. So here, if I type like Nikhil Tech, and if I click on this English to Morse button, it's going to show the Morse representation and also play Morse sound. So I'm clicking on this one. So as you can see, that was the Morse sound. And also if you copy this and paste it over here and click on this Morse to English, so here as you can see the Nikhil Tech text over here. So now I'm going to explain code for the same. So let's close this, and here as you can see this Morse code to English and English to Morse code and the Morse sound has been generated as files over here. I'm going to also explain how these things gets generated. So let me delete these files for now. So now if you see this sounds folder, we are having three sounds, which is dash, dot and space. If you want to learn more about the Morse code, I'm also providing this photo of the international Morse code so that you can learn what is dash and what is dot. Dot is this dot you can see, and dash is the hyphen, which is going to have a long sound. The dot is going to have a short sound. So that is basically it. And with these two sounds we can create all these alphabets and numbers. So if you have some interest, you can look in this photo too. And if you go to the code, as you can see, this is the code. Here we are importing all the needed packages, and then we are creating this Kinta window. And if we see over here, I'm just creating a map which maps English to Morse. So this is doing all the magic, like whatever we are providing, which will be mapped to English and English will be mapped to Morse. So most of the stuff is going to happen with this one. So now I'm declaring few variables and methods to write the files and also convert the sound files what we are having into a long file. So you can have a look into this to understand more. And here we are converting the Morse to sound, like whatever dots and dashes we are having, we are trying to bind the text into the sound. So that is pretty much it. And this is how we are converting English to Morse, and here we are converting Morse to English. I am not going to explain each and every line, because if you have a look you can understand what we are doing. It is just a simple code. And here we are declaring all the labels for the heading and input box, button area, and these two buttons, and we are binding these buttons to the functions that we have created, like here. And we are using this threading concept to run the program asynchronously. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm going to also provide GitHub link. So let me open that GitHub link. So this is the project's GitHub link. I will be providing this in the description, so you can have a look and try to understand like how we are putting everything together to make this code work. And here we are writing window.main loop because we need to have the window open until we click on the close button. And just run this project and go through the code once to understand how we are declaring and how we are running everything over here. It is very simple. And that's for now guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Subscribe to Nikhil Tech to watch more videos like this. If you like this video, click the like button, and thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.